Hi, this is Hari. I'm part of Tata Teleservices Limited. I work here as a head HR for Tata Teleservices in AP Circle for CDMA business. And Well Thought of Waste Initiative is a very noble initiative started by ITC. And when they approached us for being part of this particular initiative, we actually overjoyed for giving this opportunity, and we contributed whatever the best that we could do. We as an organization has contributed 7.5 tons of waste to ITC. In turn, actually, we are able to save almost 1,000 trees. Actually, the equation goes as 1 ton is equivalent to 20, 1 ton of recycling waste would save 22 trees and 7,000 gallons of water. It means that by contributing 7.5 tons of waste, we've saved almost, it's a calculation about 154 trees or something like. And basically, as a Tata Group, we always were concerned about saving trees and all that. So as a part of that particular initiative, we have introduced some initiatives in the company. The one that I can actually majorly talk about is about our print manager, which says that whenever an employee files a print, actually it gives him a message by printing this document, how many trees that you'd be cutting by giving this kind of a print. So it give a caution to him saying that if you require to give a print, please give, but if you don't think that kind of a requirement for the kind of damage that it does, so please do not give print, because one print would cost you one cutting of tree. So that kind of a hints that we give it to the employees saying that please do not fire prints. And we actually have a lot of initiatives which talks about recycling of the paper. All our notebooks are done from the recycling of the paper. All our visiting cards are from the recycling of the paper. So as a Tata Group, we actually take a lot of initiatives, and we've extended this to our customers also. For the World Environment Day, last year and this year, what we have done is we've given a complimentary plant to each of the customer who actually makes a sale in my company owned outlet. So for every sale, for every activation, for every SIM card that we sell, we used to give a complimentary plan to the customers. By this, actually, we've extended this we've made our customers aware of the environment, and we said, please do plant your trees at the homes. So that's the kind of message that we've given it to them. And individually, if you ask me, actually, we have taken a lot of initiative. Basically, I gifted a lot of plants to my neighbors, and we grew a lot of plants at my balcony and all that. So instead of asking what others are doing, please do your bit by planting a day, at least one tree in a month. And please send across this message to everybody saying that every plant that you save is not for you, that's for saving our Mother Earth. Thank you.